Hello everyone and welcome to VizRT Tuesday Tutorials. My name is Richard Evans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, Legends. Today I'd like to take a look at the session cleanup feature on 3Play. Now this feature removes unused clips, playlists, and metadata from your 3Play sessions to optimize storage, improve system performance, and sets up a time when you're away from the 3Play to export your content to a network or external drive so you free up space but you never lose any footage. A helpful little tool to keep your productions running smoothly, so let me show you how it's done, son. Alright, so I'm here on the 3Play interface and I'm going to show you the session cleanup feature. Alright, so first thing I want to show you is if you go to, I showed this in the last video that I did, but just as a reminder, when you are creating a new session, you can put a checkbox next to that and exclude the session that you're going to create from the feature that I'm about to show you. So keep that in mind. Alright, but for today's example, I have this old 3Play 3P2 session here that I want to back up. So to do that, you'll go down to Utilities here, and then right down here we have Set Session Cleanup. All right. So from here, this is pretty awesome. So what this allows you to do is if you have sessions that are opened in a certain amount of days, it can then export things within that session to a network attached drive or say a big external drive, etc. But you can also set a time for this so it won't happen during the middle of your sessions. So you can leave your 3Play on overnight and then let it do its thing. So you're not having to wait for file transfers to go through, etc., etc. Okay. So these were pretty self-explanatory on the sessions not opened in. You can say, I want this to be ones that I haven't touched in 30 days. All right, and then you also have an option to export only the named or tagged angles in there, or you can just send everything that you have in there that you need. All right, and the next one is going to be export location. So I have a folder here on my network attached drive. So there we go, got my 3Play backups. All right, and then you can have this scheduled whenever you want, or you can simply hit run now with this button, or there is a button up here at the top on your main session as well once you have that ready to go. So you can just click the button, off and running. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm going to just back up the ones that I haven't touched in 30 days, which I may have a few sessions like that. Press clean, yes I do. All right, and then we will let it do its thing. All right, so the cleanup has been completed. So now let's check our open sessions and they are gone. Hooray! So now I have everything backed up. Now I can always go through and say, find that data. Let me just go ahead and open the session real quick and go to import media because I want to show you that that media is there. So let me go to my network drive and look up 3Play backups and boom, there we go. So we have those sessions backed up and all of the different clip lists, the tags, etc. are all in those backups. So that way you can preserve all of your footage and then bring it into an existing session or take it somewhere else wherever you need, but helps us to keep your hard drive moving smoothly, so that way you're not in the middle of a session and, oh no, I ran out of hard drive space, and then you have to delete stuff off of there or something like that. So this will help keep your sessions clean, so highly recommend checking it out, and of course, have some fun. There it is. We help keep your storage clean, know what I mean? Now for more tutorial videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the VizRT YouTube channel at youtube.com/VizRTofficial. And for formalized VizRT product training, sign up for Viz University, available at vizrt.com/community/viz-university. And you can find more information about VizRT products and services by contacting your local VizRT partner, or you can check out our website, vizrt.com. And as always, if you are posting your work on social media using VizRT products, make sure that you tag us using the hashtags VizRT, 3Play, or TriCaster. We see all of your posts. Keep it up, Legends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon for another episode of VizRT Tuesday Tutorials.